Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast hiragana. We'll start by understanding the fundamental structure of these characters. Begin with the 5 core vowel sounds, as they form the basis for everything else. Consistent practice in writing each character correctly from the start is crucial for building a strong foundation. This approach will make your learning journey much smoother and more efficient. To boost your memory, try using mnemonics or creating visual associations for each hiragana character. Dedicate at least 15 minutes every day to writing practice. This repetition helps solidify your recall. Additionally, leverage flashcards or digital applications to test yourself frequently. These tools are excellent for quick, effective review and will significantly accelerate your learning process. Learning hiragana in consonant vowel groups like ka, kai, ku, ki, ko can make the process more logical and easier to remember. It's also vital to listen to native speaker pronunciation to ensure you're saying each sound correctly. Concentrate on mastering the 46 basic hiragana characters first, as these are the building blocks for all other Japanese words. Once you've learned some characters, try reading simple Japanese texts to see hiragana used in real sentences. Consistent review of previously learned characters is essential to prevent forgetting them. Aim to learn 5 to 10 new characters each day, but adjust this goal to what feels comfortable for you. This steady progress will lead to fluency over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.